How's it going, everybody? It is day 2 of our 12 days of Christmas build. Yesterday, we installed something small on the Tacoma. If you didn't see that video, go back and check it out. We're gonna take a look and see what Corey picks out to get installed today. He was eyeing them up in the last video. Not sure if he made a decision yet.
I think probably just go with this one here up front. It's kind of big.
Just right up front?
Yep.
Take an easy way. All right, guys, while Corey's making a decision back there, let's quick go over what we're doing. This is our 12 days of Christmas build. This is day 2. We're gonna be taking all these gifts that we have wrapped under the tree, and they're all getting installed on our Tacoma over the next 12 days until Christmas. We're taking our almost completely stock Tacoma and trying to transform it into an awesome off-road rig. If you guys wanna see the transformation, subscribe to our YouTube channel and go follow us on Instagram. I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. Let's take a look and see what Corey picked out for today.
We're ready to open the second gift. Oh, it's a return. Come on. How much tape did you put on this thing? It looks to be a grill. A Yota X grill. Is this the one that was on the Tacoma? It looks dirty.
We may or may not have just took it off the truck. But hey, it's halfway installed already.
Well, day 2 is gonna be a Tacoma TRD Pro style grill. So we're gonna go ahead, rip off this stock one. It's really simple to do. We're gonna get this installed, show you how to do it, show you what it looks like.
Corey's bringing up the lights. He's gonna get all the tools he needs to get this grill swapped out. He's done this plenty of times, so I'm sure this won't take him long, and he probably knows exactly every tool that he needs.
It probably takes 5 minutes to do this grill swap, and you really just need a flathead screwdriver to get some clips out and a 10mm socket and a ratchet for the grill and the TSS sensor, and that's pretty much it.
And the only thing that our truck doesn't have is the front-facing camera, but if you do have a front-facing camera, we also have options for that, so no worries.
It takes a little bit longer if you get the Raptor lights, running the harness, tapping that into your fuse box, but still, it's not that bad. I'll show you how we did that on ours as well. So I got the tools here on the table that we need. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do this in one shot so we can show you how easy it is to get the grill out of your Tacoma. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop the hood. And once you get the hood open, you'll see we have a clip here, a 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt, and a clip here. So we'll go ahead and just pop these out. Grab this. Take these out. If you have a TSS sensor, we're gonna go ahead and unplug that. See here, it's unplugged. And that's pretty much it. Now we can grab the grill, pull up on the top, and take it right off, just like that. So with the OEM grill out on the table here, there's gonna be a bunch of screws around the outside edge and clips holding it into the outer portion of the grill. I'm gonna go ahead and take all of that out. Also, we have 2 10mm bolts holding the TSS sensor into the center of the grill. We're gonna take that out as well. So let's go ahead and get that done.
All right, while Corey disassembles the OEM grill to get the Yota X grill installed, I just want to touch on some of the options we have for our grill. The OEM from Toyota comes with one option for letters, and they don't have Raptor lights. So the OEM is going to get you silver letters. You can't take them out. They are what they are. With the Yota X grill, you can get silver letters like OEM. You can get black letters, or you can get the Yota X exclusive black with topographic engraving on it, which is what we have on our grill here. For our grills, we also have 4 options for the Raptor light colors, including amber and white LEDs. So you can head over to YotaXpedition.com. So you can head over to YotaXpedition.com and grab one for your Tacoma today.
So we got the OEM grill out of the outer section here, and we are ready to go ahead and install the Yota X one. When you get your grill, the letters are going to be not installed, but they simply slip right in, and then you put 4 screws to hold this in place, and then your Raptor lights simply just snap into place. And then if you do have Raptor lights, I would suggest just doing the wiring while the grill is still out, so you have plenty of room. We have the harness here, the plugs for the Raptor lights, and then we have it running up and then to our fuse box. It's a super easy install. If you guys want to check out the full install, we have that down in the description. You can click the link and check it out.
All right, that wraps up day 2 of our 12 Days of Christmas Tacoma build. Another easy one for Corey. He's done this plenty of times. But these TRD Pro style grills really update the look of your Tacoma, especially with the Raptor lights and the Yota X custom topographic engraving. Corey, what do you think?
Looks really good. Simple install, like he said. If you're not doing Raptor lights, this is a 10-minute job, and you can do this with minimal tools. If you guys like the topo look, or just want some black badges, we also offer badges to go around the rest of the Tacoma, on the doors, on the tailgate, also the inlay where it says Tacoma on your tailgate. You can get that in topo, just to tie everything together and have it one uniform look.
All right, so since I do know pretty much what's in all of these boxes, I guess tomorrow I'm gonna go for something obviously a little more difficult. It's gonna be a little bit of a longer video, but also I know for a fact that this is a new product to the site, and we haven't installed any of this brand's products on our 4Runner or our Tacoma. So if you're excited to see what that is, tune in tomorrow for day 3. Corey, we need to get back to work.